to another video on my channel. It's a hometown vlog. Hometown! We got a matcha latte because today we are taking photos. We are just running around. The sun kind of left.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try
By the time we get out of there, it's 6 p.m. We started taking photos at.
We start getting ready at like 3.
We're going for a dusk kind of photo shoot.
It might look nice
Unintentionally, but that's what we're doing.
Anyways, we're here at the coffee shop. We're getting a matcha. Guys, I'm trying to take some photos. A Better You journal is getting relaunched next week. I'm so excited. So that is what we're on. Also, we're eating this cookie. Kind of crazy. It's popcorn, marshmallow, vanilla.
Recession indicator. This was $4.25. It's literally, can't even see it when you turn it sideways, but it's really good.
How's the matcha?
Good. I couldn't tell. We also have an apple for the photo shoot.
She's doing Photoshoot to promote Mail by May.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyways, we're gonna take some photos, and Friday night we'll see what happens. Either it's studious work Friday, or twist my arm, and maybe I'll get like a wine.
We might go to the local bar.
Yeah.
Cosplay.
That I really like. This one's really puffy. It's like a little bit giving like
it's like a joke.
like it's giving a little bit like strawberry shortcake, but also maybe like Yoshi. Like what is that?
Oh,
is that like
right?
Like a little Super Mario Bros thing. Like I almost can't tell if it's like looks like.
I love it. It's perfect. And the fact that there's like little buttons on it, it's like we know what it is. We know what it is. It's Quirky Town today.
Yeah. Photos, but we now have made it to Gigi's. It's a restaurant here in the burbs. We are going to be eating some pasta. We got some salad. I got a little wine glass. Oh my god. I brought my laptop and my stuff. So we're just going to like lock in doing work on this little tabletop. We got some good food coming. It's a good vibe.
Adulting, self-employed. What do you mean?
Hell yeah. So anyways, I hope this food is yummy, and it's my first time here, so almost a little bit of a review.
Que restou dessa fantasia foi sentimento e a fotografia.
Hello you guys, my apologies for the messy room behind me. Today is very exciting because this is a very eventful Sunday. For one, I woke up this morning, guys, Biebercella was last night. I actually went to my friend's house, like basically all the girls that I went to Coachella with and the guys that I went to Coachella with, we had like a little Bieber watch party. It was amazing. It was perfect. I am fuming with envy. I'm so jealous. This morning, I feel like I've just been watching like Justin Bieber clips. I've just been in my room hanging and I was like, hey, we gotta do something. I feel like I've subconsciously been waiting also because I'm hanging out with my friends tonight. So I've just kind of been delaying, but I think I'm gonna grab my bag, get everything together. We're gonna go to the gym. I asked my dad and he wants to go to the gym too. So we're gonna go to the gym, do a little bit of a workout, not too much because I don't want to be sore for later. And then after that tonight, what I'm so excited for is we're going rock climbing. I will bring the camera. I feel like that'll be really fun to vlog with like all my friends. I think we're gonna go to the bouldering one. I'm very excited. And I think we might go to the breweries after. So we've got a fun Sunday plan today. This angle is kind of crazy, but you guys can tell I keep wearing this Lululemon pink jacket, but I'm wearing this TNA shirt underneath. It is like the same color pink. And then these shorts are from Indigo Luna. They're just brown cotton shorts.
Guys, we've made it to rock climbing.
We're that girl.
Those girls. My hands are hurting. I like forgot how much this like hurts.
Your
my hands are
arms.
The forearms are gonna be so sore tomorrow. Anyways, we're gonna try this one. This is a level 2. We're gonna see if we can do it. The guys are already on their own side. Like honestly, they're just doing their thing.
They're inside. They're playing. They're yoga.
Guys, it is so hard. We just saw this like 17-year-old go to the very top with ease really. I can't even do it. You guys, it is a brand new day. Yesterday you saw that I went rock climbing with all my friends. That was so much fun. Tell me why it's way harder than I thought. My freaking forearms are so sore. But after that was done, we went to Cactus Club with everybody. It was so fun. We got some food and I woke up today and I was a little tired. I was a little feeling under the weather, but we got ready. I'm feeling better now and we're gonna go to a coffee shop and start doing the work. Y'all know, I feel like every vlog I'm like, coffee shop, you know, we gotta do the routine stuff. I actually was just filming a sponsored ad in this car, so that's what I've been up to. I wanna go to this coffee shop, maybe get a coffee, get caffeinated. I want to do some creative work, admin work. So anyways, let's go to the coffee shop. I'm back in my car. I was at that coffee shop for like 3 hours. I did a lot of work. I journaled. I feel like I was having a mental breakdown. I've been having a mental breakdown. Y'all know, especially in these hometown vlogs where I'm like slightly crashing out of like, where am I gonna live? Like, what's the move? Why can't I find an apartment? Where do I want to live? Like, oh my God, y'all know. I feel like the past like 3 videos that I've been like in my hometown, I'm just like, guys, no, I swear. Update, because I feel like every one of these videos, there's a tiny update. I've still been looking for an apartment. I might just have to start my visa this week and get that sorted. Anyways. I was doing some journaling. Guys, I put this little photo of me and my bae. I think I told you in maybe on the podcast or in the last video that I like hard launched with this cute little photo, but I put it on my journal because I think it's really cute. Honestly, we stayed later than I wanted to because now I don't really have time to film the podcast in daylight, but I have a video that's like due tomorrow for a brand, so I need to go back to my home, finish editing that, and make sure that's ready to send. My mother also made dinner, and I think she made like, I was really craving pho and I was debating getting that, but she made salmon, sweet potato, rice, and broccoli, which sounds divine. So I think I'm gonna go home. I low-key need to clean my bedroom. It's a new day, my friends, and we are back in the freaking car. And guys, look at this sweater. I literally bought this a few days ago, and it is from Urban Outfitters. I feel so cute. And this morning we had a nail appointment. I'm feeling already so much better because I need a new nail so bad. We just got French tip at my regular place. It is called Pretty with Julia. She's amazing. It's in Mount Pleasant. Today's a big glow up day. We have so many things to do today. Like, I woke up this morning. I had a nail appointment at 9. Just ended like 20 minutes ago. I just been sitting in the car, and we got to go to Equinox. Maybe if I have time, I'll work out. But what I really need to do is shower. And y'all know I'm going to Paris tomorrow with L'Oreal. And one of the things I need to do is like dye my hair. with these, like they sent them to me, and these are just like semi-permanent gloss. I need to like make sure that this doesn't react on my hair. And so I'm gonna go to Equinox, do this there. Hopefully I can do it properly. And if we got time by the end of all this, could definitely use some shopping, could definitely use some extra work. You know, we got all the things to do. So anyways, let's get going. I've been drinking a Alani Dream Float energy drink today. I'm literally obsessed with Alani's and energy drinks, which is not a great look for me, but here we are. Anyways, let's get going and let's drive to Equinox. For today's playlist, guys, I've been all on the Justin Bieber wavelength these days. Biebercella did that to me. I don't know what to tell you. We also might buy an iPhone today, which is insane, but we need an upgrade. Where she's going, that's when nobody knows. I need a colorful remember. Okay guys, you just saw I was at Equinox. I did so much work. I've literally been like my own manager, publicist, strategist like all day, and I'm planning Miami Swim Week at the end of May. So anyways, we'll talk about all of that exciting stuff later, but going in the sauna, taking a shower, straightening my hair because I have a hair appointment later. But as I was going to my hair appointment, I was like, I gotta get this this fuck-ass tooth gem off. We keep calling it that. Sorry to be graphic. Not graphic. Explicit with the words. I gotta get this fuck-ass tooth gem off because if I'm going to Paris with L'Oreal, we can't have this on. So I just walked into this random dentist, asked them if they can do the removal. So that's what we're doing now. I'm gonna brush my teeth and get this going. Tooth gem is freaking off. That was $50, bro. We're on our way to the hair appointment now. Can I also just say, you guys, it's freaking spring. It is so sunny today. I miss living downtown, I won't lie. I won't freaking lie. This place is literally a hidden gem, and I come here all the time. Next stop of the day is Best Buy. I need to buy a new hard drive. Okay, you guys, we've made it to the end of the video. I'm weirdly squatting outside right now because I've been packing all freaking morning. Don't mind my Hailey Bieber Road pimple patches. I have been so hectic this morning. I'm going to Paris today. Yesterday was such a busy and productive day. I'm glad that I vlogged it. Today, it's like 10 a.m. My flight's at 1. Let's hope and let's pray. We're gonna make it. We're gonna get to Paris. Everything's gonna be a blast. I'm gonna edit on the plane. Good things are on the way, is all I've got to say. But I'm so excited. If you didn't already know, because I feel like I didn't explain it properly in this video, but I got invited by L'Oreal Pro to go and basically do a hair transformation over there. Now I know I just got extensions. I literally just fixed my extensions, but they're gonna dye my hair. And I'm just giving you guys the little sneak peek, but like I've never done my hair before, so it should be so exciting. The Uber's literally here. Okay, let's get my bags and let's get going. Let's say bye to Michi. We're on our way to Air France.